Today we are going to solve a simple Portswigger lab SQL injection and retrieval of hidden data. Before start the lab, let us discuss SQL injection with a simple example. Let us consider a simple example in our life. Suppose if you are suffering from fever and your condition is little severe, what the doctor will do? He will inject some medicine in your body to cure your disease completely. Similarly, in SQL injection, we will inject some malicious code into the website in order to break the database. So, SQL injection is an SQLI and it is a common attack vector that uses malicious SQL code for backend database manipulation to access the information. This information may include any number of items, including sensitive company data, user list, or private customer details. After successful attack, attacker can gain unauthorized access of user list and he can delete entire tables, and in certain cases he can gain administrative right to a database. All of these conditions are very severe to a business. So these are the impact of SQL injection vulnerability. Here the lab describes SQL injection vulnerability in a product category filter. In order to start the lab, we have to click on this access lab. I already opened in another lab. This is a application shopping application in which many items are listed, and these are the categories are accessories, corporate gifts, food and drink gifts. When we click on the gifts, the browser requests the URL like this: https insecurewebsite.com products category equal to gift. Here, the application make a SQL query to retrieve the details of a relevant product from the database. That means select star from the products where category equal to gifts and release equal to 1. Star means that collect all the details from the product table category equal to gift, and there is a condition is that release equal to 1, which means that hide the products that are not released. This is about this lamp. Suppose we have a website or an application, and we need to test whether it is vulnerable to SQL injection or not. What you will do? There are two methods to solve this problem. In first method, you should change the category parameter as category equal to single quotes and send to the server. If the result of this method will give internal server error, which means that there is a chance of SQL injection vulnerability. And in the second method, you should change the category parameter as gifts single quote double dash sequence, and we are sending into the server, and will nothing will display in this page, which means that there is a chance of SQL injection vulnerability. In the second method, gives the second method is that gives uh, single quote double sequence. In the double sequence is a command indicator in SQL, which means that after this command indicator, nothing will happen. All others parameter are marked as a comment. Coming to our lab, our aim is to display the details of all products in a category, both released and unreleased. For that, we change or modify the category parameter as single quote or 1 equal to 1 double dash sequence, and copy this command from here and paste it over here. And before that, in home page we can see that the products as 12 products we can see in this home page. Before exploitation, we can see that 12 products in the home page, and we are going to exploit with the SQL command and category, changing the category parameter as or 1 equal to 1 and sending to the server. The result will be displaying all the products in this page. Before exploitation, we got only 12 items, and after exploitation, we got 20 items by using this command or 1 equal to 1 double dash. Finally, we successfully solved the lab. Congratulations.